See, we'll see how to connect different veins using a L-shaped rod. We are using a L-shaped rod to find different veins, where it comes and where it connects. Everything can be seen in this video. See, basically I'm a water diviner, consultant for mines and oil companies. I do map dowsing. I've dowsed more than 30,000 borewells successfully around India. I do research on this water divining. I find it very positive when I do water divining. Okay. See, this is the L-shaped rod, okay, which I'm going to use to find different veins where it is connected and to find in which direction water flows. This is a very important tool that I've used in my life. Okay. I've seen this tool at my younger age, but now only I'm using it. We'll find water basically. Okay. Okay, this is a smaller source, then we'll move into different ones. This is the point. Okay. Let us see, this is the point where we have found the water source. Okay. This is the exact point. So let us take this as a point. Where I found water, or with a single L-shaped rod, I'll show you. When I'm parallel to it, it moves. Okay, this is the point where I found. Okay. See, many of the people ask, can you connect different veins? Okay, this is a single vein. Can you connect different veins and find where maximum water flows? Okay. See, when I see this, this is the one which moves. Okay. And when I say from other direction, also it moves. Okay. To find the direction of water, move to your L rod to a particular place where it is connected. Okay. And standing from the same place, move your rod slowly such that it shows the direction of flow. So this is the direction of flow. Okay. So we know that now this is the direction of flow, and we are marking this direction of flow, okay, with a particular one, and in the middle we still stop and find again where is the direction of flow. This is the water point and direction of flow is here. Okay, again we mark it. Okay. After marking, again move slowly and very steadily and find the next point. Okay. Okay. This is the second point where we have seen, and I'll cross it, and this is the second point. Okay, we'll see take the stone as the second point, and standing on the same position, use the L-shaped rod and find which is the position. Okay. It moves in this direction. Okay. So this is the point which we have just seen. Okay. and this is the source which we see, which it moves, and this is the point. Okay, this is the point which I have just stated, that there is, or we'll keep this one, where there is two sources are meeting. Okay. Again, I'm saying that I'm using a single rod and seeing if it is correct. Okay, this is in parallel direction and this is in perpendicular direction. Okay. Next, I'm moving to this place parallelly to the connected line. Okay. I'm seeing that only one will rotate. Just watch it again. Any one will rotate. Okay, if it rotates like this, it means that there is two veins of water that is flowing here. Okay, again I'm showing it. Okay. Okay, this is the crisscrossing point of the first one, and I'm moving again, and this is the crisscrossing point of the second one. Okay, when I'm crisscrossing the first one and standing in the same position, I'm using a single L-shaped rod, and I'm seeing that this is the direction of flow that is shown. Okay, if you want, you can walk on it. Okay, if you are moving away from the lines of water flow, it will deflect properly. I'll walk in the different direction. See, it shows you in which direction it flows. Again, I'm going in the wrong direction. If I'm moving in the right direction, it is stable. Okay. Again, I'm finding the second point. Okay, this is the second point. With a single L-shaped rod, I'm finding the direction. This is showing like this. If I move like this, see, it differentiates. Okay. See, with a single, again, okay, this is the mark point, and standing on the same thing, I'm again showing it. It shows that the direction of flow, and at this point, both meets. Okay. See, again I'm using a single rod to check water. If I move on to it, it rotates again. Okay. If I move perpendicular, it rotates. Okay. So again I'm using both the rods and checking the number of veins. See, only one rod rotates. It means there is more than two veins of water. Okay. This is very important check that we have particularly seen. If you are using a single rod, also you can find water, but you have to see different directions. You have to first find which is parallel to the water you are flowing, which is perpendicular. Okay, this is the parallel lines which I found. Okay, and this is the perpendicular lines which I have found. After finding, you can see that again single rod. If you are parallel, it moves in one direction. If you are in perpendicular, it moves in the opposite direction. Again, see that if there is more than one vein, only one rod will rotate. Okay. See that it takes lot of energy from your body actually. Please don't use this L rod. Again I'm saying, please don't use this L rod. Y rod is somewhat okay, but L rod completely drains your energy. Okay. it is opposite to the nature of flow, and you find it exhausts you a lot. If you don't have proper training or proper knowledge, please don't do water divining. Many of them has seen my videos and they say my borewell has failed after watching your video and all. This is the main reason of it. See to that your body also gets affected a lot. I'm saying, or I'm repeating it in my every video. I'm getting minimum 5 to 6 calls every day that they have got wrist pain or they've got back pain. Okay. When you are stressed, you see your backbone first starts to pain, then your wrist and your ankles. Okay. See to that you use it carefully. Please don't watch these videos and try it unless you have gained particular knowledge or you have got an experienced person who can train you exactly how to catch this energy and how to release it. Catching these energies are very easy, but releasing is very hard. You have to get more trained to it. Thank you.